testing with the GoPro, see how the audio is, put some foamies over the microphones, see how it is with the wind noise while we're moving. Yeah, I forgot how fucking awesome these rider computers are. First left everybody, so I get it. Classic Lost Post Rock recording. Back around, trying to test out the audio. The camera's sweet. So I'm running like super new, 60 frames. I put some little foamies over the microphone. I want to see like if you can hear myself talking like right now. We're going 50. My helmet, the wind noise is immense. A lot of wind noise. After like 5 years of owning this bike, I finally took off the stock breather tube, I think it's called. Breather tube, yeah, we'll go with that.
Do you see liberty or the penitentiary? Do you see your friends or enemies? What about poverty? I'm not inside of life, life's inside of me. It got to be my
Getting better at the coaster. Some days are better than others. Alright, let's get to it. So I know the audio is going to be crisp like right now. We're not moving, there's no wind noise. So one thing I'm testing, higher pressure. I checked this morning, it's like 25, which is lower than I'd like. So we pumped it up. I think we're like 34-ish, slightly above 30. See what circles are like.
to the top of society's monopolies. Rock with me, copy me, and the newer future, the loser will not be me. I'm breaking these clubs
already. I noticed the tire feels like, instead of being like that, the tire just feels more rounded. Think about it, makes for an easier turn in, and therefore easier circle.
Do you see? You could be anything you desire to be. So what do you see, man? What do you see?
I treat the mic like a crystal ball, leaves a fool with no futures. What they told me when I was back at school, played it cool, did crimes until I heard the cool via cassette with KRS teaching me the rule of hip hop. It made my path a lot brighter, but dyslexic kid that somehow turned to a writer. Time to realize nothing's how it has to be. Anything you desire could become a reality. We bring philosophies you ain't used to.
I have only good foot brake, and I'm trapped with fucking handbrake. We're trying to fix that.
Words from an MP, they want you to conform and not be free like you should be. Fuck that, look how far working hard took me. Step outside the box, imagine what you could see. Or you would see if only you believed in.
No handbrake. Getting way better at the stall thing. And the key is really the coaster. Oh damn, there's like some trails up there. Too bad I don't want to get my bike dirty. Make it look so easy. Alright, both feet up. Give it a shot. We're gonna tame that fucking bitch. I looped for the first time on this bike, like actually not doing like circle shit, trying to do one of these Johnnies. I was too fired up at the beginning of the fucking latte. Alright, so it was a successful session, better than not riding. Definitely don't like riding by myself. It's super boring. Sometimes your hand and forearms can only take so much damage.
Instead of I became aware of my surroundings, ain't the head of the game. I thought of my plan, began to stir and formulate my moves. Your mind should always be searching. I'll be waiting for you to prove there's no perfection, just perception of preconceptions. If your whole family's broke, you should strive to be the exception. I beseech as I preach everything that I learned from teach. Freedom of speech, my growing tentacles are further in their reach. Family's broke, you should strive to be the exception. I beseech as I preach everything that I learned from teach. Freedom of speech, my growing tentacles are further in their reach. Hard to a screech. It's never too late for the bus that you turn. What doesn't kill you only makes you strong as long as you learn.
God damn it. Hit the fat bump.